Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making some chicken Parmesan, and it's gonna be delicious. So sit back, relax, and while I get everything ready, you know what I need you to do? That's right, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back. I'm gonna pound my chicken and flatten it up. So as you can see, my ingredients are pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some Italian seasoning, and I have flour that I put all of these in and mixed well. I also have 2 eggs and a can of crushed tomatoes that I put in here, and those same seasonings are gonna go inside my crushed tomatoes. And I'm just gonna heat that and let it go mix straight through, just heat through. Just gonna stir these up, scramble them. Now in this bowl, I have a bowl of seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm gonna take a little of that flour that I seasoned and add it to my breadcrumbs, and then I'm gonna mix that up. So I have my station set up where I have my marinated chicken, which is gonna go in the flour, then in the egg, then in the breadcrumbs, and then over here on the pan, and it's gonna sit and rest for 15 minutes on that pan. So that you don't get your hands all covered up in flour and all sticky, use tongs. Shake the excess flour off. Same with the egg. Let that egg mixture drip. Then we're gonna put it in our breadcrumbs. Try and make sure you get it all the way coated. Take the excess off. And then we're gonna mash those into there and let it sit there for 15 minutes. So I have 2 pans of them, and I said I was gonna let them sit and rest for 15 minutes. The whole purpose of letting them rest is so that the batter will adhere to the chicken and it won't be coming off. So since I have so much chicken, I'm going to use 2 skillets to cook those. And while those are cooking, I'm going to boil my noodles in here. That's for something else. I'm cooking with it. Okay, our grease is hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here. We only need them to cook for a minute on each side because we're gonna put them in the oven. So they don't have to cook long, okay? You can actually see from the sides that it's getting golden and crunchy. I'm gonna go ahead and flip those over. What you don't want to do is leave them in there too long and they come out burnt. All right, I guess these are ready to come out. Yep, golden brown on both sides. And I'm gonna put them on, I put a clean piece of foil on here. Same pan, just a clean piece of foil so we don't have that raw flour and everything on there. And then because this I'm gonna put in the oven. So I just wanted to put some clean foil on there. Look at it, nice and golden brown on both sides. Trying to flip this one as well. Same for your mozzarella cheese. You don't want to overpower it with cheese. You want to be able to taste the chicken. So you just put a little cheese on there. See? And this is mozzarella cheese. I just went outside and got some fresh basil, so I'm gonna wash this off. So now I'm gonna chop this up and sprinkle it on top. Now that I've got that chopped up, I just wanna sprinkle a little bit on top of each one. We're gonna give it that extra flavor and presentation. Now they are ready to go into the oven. Okay, it's ready, and I'm taking it out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all could tell by how much food I was cooking that we were having a party. And the people started coming, all my guests were coming, and I didn't get a chance to taste the chicken Parmesan for you guys. Trust and believe, they loved it, I loved it, it was good. Make sure that you go out, try it. I'm sure you will love it as well. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen.